everyone, hope you are having an awesome day. Big hello to all our regulars and anyone new stopping by. Today we have got some important updates lined up. We are talking about the Internet Computer Protocol's token economy and inflation concerns, a fresh boost for Motoko developers using Visual Studio Code, and how Phantom Wallet users just got a much smoother ride on Kongswap. Before we jump in, a quick reminder. If you enjoy the work we do at Ledger Life, you can now support us directly. Donations are open and the wallet details are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. First up, the Internet Computer Protocol, better known as ICP, has been a big name in decentralized computing since it first launched. But right now, there is a serious conversation happening around its token economy, especially about inflation. It all started when IC Ghost posted on the Definity forum, raising concerns that the way new ICP tokens are issued could be damaging the ecosystem. See, more than 15 million tokens have been given out as rewards, while only about 1.6 million have been burned. That's ballooned the total supply to over 532 million tokens, and that's making people nervous. Inflation isn't just some technical issue, it hits the heart of confidence in the network. If tokens keep flooding in without stronger mechanisms to balance it out, ICP's value could keep slipping, and that's a bad news for developers, users, and investors alike. IC Ghost wasn't trying to stir up fear. Their post was a call to action, asking the community and the Definity team to rethink how tokens are issued. Some ideas floated include cutting back the rate at which new tokens are minted or ramping up how many tokens get burned. At the end of the day, it's about building a stable and trustworthy ecosystem. A balanced token economy could make ICP much more attractive, not just to existing users, but to the next wave of developers and projects. And the good news is these discussions are happening now, while there is still plenty of time to set things on a stronger path. We'll be keeping an eye on how this conversation evolves, because whatever decisions are made could shape the future of the internet computer in a big way. Speaking of building stronger futures, there is some great news for developers working on the internet computer too. If you have ever coded in Motoko, you will know the tools can make or break the experience. And that's where our next story comes in. The team at Serokill has just wrapped up their third grant with the Definity Foundation, and they have brought some serious upgrades to the Motoko VS Code extension. Now, if you are coding smart contracts in Motoko, things are about to feel way smoother. First up, better auto-completion. The extension can now pick up simples from imported modules, saving you from endless typing and silly syntax mistakes. Honestly, little things like this can make marathon coding sessions way less painful. They have also fixed and enhanced the go-to definition feature. So now jumping around big code bases feels less like hunting through a maze and more like having a map. Plus, reference lookups are way more effective, perfect if you are maintaining or scaling a project. One of my favorite upgrades is smarter error messages. Instead of those cryptic syntax error notes that leave you guessing, the extension now shows examples of valid code when you mess up. It's like having a patient coding buddy who shows you exactly where you tripped. Behind the scenes, they have also upgraded the mock compiler parser. Thanks to error recovery improvements, a single typo won't stop your entire debugging session. You will see more issues at once and fix them quicker. And to top it all off, performance got a serious lift. The extension now caches type information, which means bigger projects load faster. They have even added automated benchmarking to catch future slowdowns early. That's some forward thinking. Overall, these aren't flashy changes, but they are essential ones. They are about making Motoko more usable, more welcoming, and more professional. Whether you are a seasoned dev or just curious about building on ICP, these improvements could make your experience much better. The next version of the Motoko VS Code extension will be dropping soon, so keep an eye out if you want to make your development life a little easier. Now, tools aren't the only thing getting better. Access and ease of use are stepping up too, especially for Solana users looking to explore the internet computer world. That brings us to our next update for today. Kongswap has just made a major move. Phantom Wallet users can now connect and swap directly on Kong. For those who don't know, Phantom is a massively popular wallet among Solana users, especially NFT fans and DeFi players. It's known for being clean, fast, and reliable, and now, thanks to Kongswap, Phantom users can slide right into the internet computer ecosystem without needing a dozen extra steps. Here is how it works. Once you connect your Phantom wallet, Kong automatically assigns you an ICP address. No confusing setups, no tutorials, you just connect and go. It's fast, it's simple, and it feels really natural. This move isn't just about technical integration. It signals something bigger. The internet computer community is making real efforts to tear down the walls between blockchains. Instead of forcing users to abandon what they know, projects like Kong are meeting them where they already are. For Solana veterans, this feels like a breath of fresh air. Phantom built its reputation by being the go-to wallet during the NFT boom of 2021, and it stayed relevant by focusing on speed, usability, and reliability. Having that same trusted experience now available on Kong is a big deal. More importantly, it reflects a new attitude. Crypto users in 2025 expect choice. They expect smooth experiences, and they expect projects to make interoperability seamless, not complicated. This upgrade by Kong might not grab headlines, but it's a meaningful step toward a more connected, decentralized world. And for users who want to hop between ecosystems without headaches, it's a huge win. Finally, the internet computer community has unveiled a refreshed ICP dashboard offering deeper insights, easier subnet comparisons, and a cleaner, more user-friendly interface. Designed to boost ecosystem visibility and technical exploration, the new dashboard lets users track vital stats like subnet performance, canister counts, and network growth with clarity and ease. It also improves accessibility for both developers and newcomers by presenting complex data in a practical, readable way. Launched by the Definity Foundation, this upgrade reflects the platform's growing maturity and commitment to transparency, with more enhancements expected soon. And that's a wrap for today's stories. Big thanks for hanging out with us. Remember, if you would like to support Ledger Life, donations are open and the wallet details are in the description. Every contribution keeps our research, videos, and projects rolling strong. If you want to explore the projects we discussed today, you will find all the links in the description below too. Thanks again for being here. Until next time, stay curious, stay decentralized.